Imagine starting a company with just rupees 10,000 with no office, no computer and no internet, and the same company today worth lakhs of crores. This is the unbelievable story of Infosys. Back in 1991, the world was facing a crisis due to a silly computer bug named Y2K, and the biggest of the companies were drowning, and at that time Infosys was earning $100 million. So the story starts back in 1981, where 7 boys sat in 1 BHK apartment in Pune with no money, no computer, no internet, but just enthusiasm to do something great. Back in 1981, India was so poor and so backward that it did not have any computers. Everything was done with hands, and even purchasing a scooter was a dream of yours. At that time, Sudha Murthy, the wife of Narayan Murthy, invested her all savings, that was rupees 10,000, into his business. Back then, Narayan Murthy used to work in a company where his work was so dedicated and professional that a USA client used to talk to only him for all his dealings. And his name was Don Lilels. He was the very first person to sign a contract with Infosys at a very cheap rate. 1981 to 1983 were the years of utmost struggle. The boys had to travel in chances for around 50 times from India to USA just to work on Don's computer. Those 2 years, the boys survived only on cold bread jam and khichdi and worked day and night. Then finally, in 1983, the boys bought their first ever computer, and most of their revenue, that was around 90% of the revenue, used to come from Dons alone. That is, they were fully dependent on Dons. KSA at that time was one of the biggest consulting firms. And since the boys worked at Don's company became very reputed and very trustworthy, that KSA recommended Reebok to talk to these boys for their errors. And from there, Infosys got its very first client, Reebok. From there, they had an idea to actually partner with KSA, wherein they promised KSA to serve all their clients with their IT services. Then in 1991, the government of India introduced liberalization. The tariffs, the quotas and the tax rates were decreased enormously, and imports and exports became cheaper. Then from 1992, Infosys made a revenue of 8.3 crores and reached to 513 crores in 1999. Then in 1999, when Y2K bug was in play, all the companies felt it as its end. Then Infosys came into picture and solved that bug for them, and therefore inviting multi-billion-dollar companies to partner with them. In 1999, it made revenue of 513 crores. In 2010, it earned 22,000 crore. In 2014, it earned 1,50,000 crore. And as per financial year 25, its revenue has reached to 1,62,990 crores. And the stock price, which started at just rupees 11, has reached to 1,794 rupees in 2024, with a hike of 14,326% from its initial price. And Infosys also became the India's first company to be listed on US stock exchange.